5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The findings recorded by the learned trial court were to the effect that the defendant is a licensee and not a lessee of the disputed room stop. The said room has not been constructed by the defendant stop. The defendant is not entitled to the protection of the Act 13 of 1972 stop. The suit for mandatory injunction to deliver possession after termination of license is maintainable. Accordingly, he decreed the suit stop. The learned First Appellate Court, while dismissing the appeal, confirmed the aforesaid findings of the trial court stop. It further held that the court fee has rightly been paid according to law on 1/5 of the market value of the property in suit stop stanza. The contention of the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the plaintiff respondent is that a finding of fact recorded by the First Appellate Court is final and cannot be reopened in a second appeal stop. In the instant case, the lower appellate court, and for that matter even the trial court, having come to a concurrent finding that the defendant appellant was a licensee and not a tenant of the accommodation in question, the same cannot be re-agitated before this court stop. It is contended, on the other hand, by the learned counsel for the defendant appellant that the jurisdiction of this court in the matter of questions of fact is not altogether barred, and there can be interference if the findings and conclusion of the court below is totally against the weight of evidence on record and is also vitiated by an error of against the law stop. Secondly, the question as to whether on the facts established relationship between the parties was of a licensor and licensee or a lessor and lessee is a question of law which can be gone into by this court in second appeal stop stanza. Admittedly, in this case, the transaction between the parties, be it a license or a lease, was oral stop. In these circumstances, there was no option but to fall back upon oral evidence of the parties to determine the real nature of the transaction and relationship between parties qua that property in suit stop. Admittedly, the property of the plaintiff on the spot comprises of a larger piece of land and the disputed premises is situated in the eastern portion of the said plot stop. The western portion is admittedly now in the possession of the plaintiff stop. The controversy thus is in relation to the room and the covered sehan situated in the eastern part of the plot as shown and bounded In the map part of the plaintiff stop, admittedly, the defendant appellant is in exclusive possession over the disputed premises. Stop